There are so many diet trends out there, and you may be wondering which one is the right one for you. In our world today, the number of diets one can choose from is staggering. You've got your low-carb diets, your vegan diets, your Mediterranean diets, and countless others. It's like walking into an ice cream parlor with 100 different flavors. How do you choose just one? This confusion isn't helped by the fact that each diet claims to be the best, the healthiest, the most efficient. But here's the thing. Everybody is different. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's essential to compare and contrast these diets, to understand their pros and cons, and to consider how they might fit into your unique lifestyle and health goals. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. So let's dive in and start comparing some of the most popular diet trends. First on the list is the low-carb diet. As the name suggests, the low-carb diet revolves around reducing your intake of carbohydrates. This diet emphasizes foods high in protein and fat while limiting the consumption of bread, grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables. So you'll be seeing a lot more meats, eggs, cheese, and nuts on your plate and less pasta, rice, and potatoes. But why cut carbs? The science behind this is simple. When you consume fewer carbohydrates, your body has to burn fat for energy instead of relying on its usual quick source of energy, carbs. This process is called ketosis. The result? Potentially rapid weight loss. That's not all. Apart from weight loss, some studies suggest that a low-carb diet may offer other health benefits. These can include improved heart health, better control of blood sugar levels, and even enhanced brain function. Sounds fantastic, right? But as with any diet, it's important to consider the potential downsides. One of the main concerns with a low-carb diet is the potential for nutrient deficiencies. Carbohydrates aren't just about energy, they're also a key source of essential nutrients. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, many of which are limited on a low-carb diet, are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cutting them out may lead to deficiencies in these nutrients, which can impact overall health. Moreover, while the initial weight loss can be exciting, some people find it difficult to stick to a low-carb diet in the long run. It can be challenging to say no to your favorite carb-laden treats, and some people may experience side effects like fatigue or brain fog when starting the diet. So, there you have it. The low-carb diet is a popular choice for its potential for quick weight loss and other health benefits. However, it's essential to consider the potential nutrient deficiencies and whether it's a diet you can stick to in the long term. The low-carb diet might be a good fit for those who enjoy protein-rich foods, but it's not for everyone. Next up we have the vegan diet. The vegan diet has become increasingly popular in recent years as people are becoming more conscious about their health, their impact on the environment, and animal welfare. The principles of this diet are straightforward. It excludes all forms of animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. Instead, it focuses on plant-based foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. One of the most significant benefits of the vegan diet is its reduced environmental impact. Animal agriculture contributes to a large proportion of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By choosing plant-based foods, vegans can significantly reduce their environmental footprint. The vegan diet can also offer potential health benefits. It's typically low in saturated fats and high in fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds. Research suggests that vegans often have lower blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and body mass indexes than non-vegans. They may also have a lower risk of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and type 2 diabetes. However, the vegan diet does have its downsides. It requires careful planning to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Some nutrients, like vitamin B12, are primarily found in animal products, so vegans may need to take supplements or eat B12 fortified foods. Similarly, some vegans may struggle to get enough protein, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Additionally, the vegan diet may not be suitable for everyone. Some people may have health conditions or dietary needs that make it difficult to exclude all animal products. And of course, it requires a significant commitment to change eating habits and lifestyle. Despite these challenges, many people find that the benefits of the vegan diet outweigh the downsides. It can be a healthy choice for those who are able to meet their nutritional needs through plant-based foods. And for those concerned about animal welfare or the environment, it can be an ethical choice that aligns with their values. The vegan diet requires commitment and careful planning, but it can be a healthy and ethical choice. Our third diet trend is the Mediterranean diet. Picture a warm, sunny day, the azure sea stretching out before you. and a table laden with fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, and a glass of red wine. This paints a vivid picture of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet originates from the traditional eating habits of people from countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Italy, Greece, and Spain. It emphasizes eating primarily plant-based foods, such as fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. The diet replaces butter with healthy fats such as olive oil and uses herbs and spices instead of salt to flavor foods. Red meat is limited to a few times a month, while fish and poultry are consumed at least twice a week. But what sets the Mediterranean diet apart isn't just the food on your plate, but how you eat it. It encourages enjoying meals with family and friends, savoring each flavor, and even drinking red wine in moderation, rather than gulping down your meals in front of the TV. Studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet has numerous health benefits. It's been linked to improved heart health, aiding in weight loss, and even promoting longevity. The diet's emphasis on whole, anti-inflammatory foods is key to these benefits. However, like every diet trend, the Mediterranean diet has its downsides. The most notable one is the potential cost. The diet emphasizes fresh, high-quality ingredients, and unfortunately, these don't always come cheap. Fresh fruits and vegetables, fish and olive oil can be pricier than processed foods. Hence, this diet may require a bigger grocery budget. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. It encourages a balanced and colorful plate of food, savored with friends and family. It's a diet that celebrates the simple, yet profoundly healthful foods that have been proven to promote health and longevity. The Mediterranean diet can be a delicious and heart-healthy choice, but it may require a bigger grocery budget. So, we've explored 3 popular diet trends, but which one is the best? This question is not as straightforward as it may seem. Each diet comes with its own set of benefits and potential challenges. The low-carb diet, for example, may help in weight loss and managing diabetes, but it requires careful planning to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. On the other hand, the vegan diet, completely plant-based, can be an excellent choice for those concerned about animal welfare and environmental sustainability. However, it requires diligent attention to certain nutrients often found in animal products like vitamin B12 and iron. Then there's the Mediterranean diet, lauded for its heart health benefits, and its focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. But like any diet, it is not one size fits all. In sum, the right diet for you is not necessarily what's trending or what's worked for your friend. It's the one that aligns with your personal preferences, health status, and lifestyle. It's the one that you find enjoyable and sustainable over the long term. Importantly, remember that food is just one piece of the wellness puzzle. Regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and social connections also play critical roles in our overall health. It's also essential to keep in mind that our understanding of nutrition is continually evolving. What's considered a good diet today might change as new research emerges. So staying informed and keeping an open mind can be just as important as the foods you choose to eat. Finally, while the information we've shared today is based on current scientific understanding, it's crucial to remember that individual needs can vary widely. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. Remember, the best diet for you is the one you can stick to and that makes you feel good. We hope this comparison of diet trends has been helpful. It's a lot to digest, we know. But remember, knowledge is power, and the more you understand about the food you eat, the better choices you can make. So why not continue this journey of discovery with us? There's a world of dietary wisdom out there waiting to be explored. We're constantly delving into the latest research, debunking myths, and bringing you the facts about all things health and nutrition. So, if you're ready to keep learning, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join our community of health-conscious individuals who are dedicated to living their best life. And remember, while we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date information, nothing can replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet. The content of this video is for informational purposes only, and is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment.